Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Hope all is well. In this video today, I'm coming to show you how you can, by learning what you need to learn, be in position to earn $1,000 commissions and using the Master Traffic Institute. Now, the Master Traffic Institute is with the Power Lead system. It is the backbone marketing system that I've been using to grow my businesses online. And I'm totally in love with it. What the Master Traffic Institute is, I'm actually going to take you over to the sales page. It is a course, a master course where some of the industry's top earners are sharing their secrets. And what that's going to do for you if you are our marketer online is it's going to cut your learning curve. It's going to cut your learning curve so you can stop doing things that may not be working. And you're also not going to have to jump from course to course to course. And that's the problem, is a lot of marketers have gazillion courses but don't know how to put them together to be able to start actually earning with their affiliate marketing business. So that's what the Master Traffic Institute is. There's 20 courses from top earners in there, and I'm going to go through what it covers. Now, how do you get started with the Master Traffic Institute? So again, the Master Traffic Institute is with the Power Lead system. The best way to get started with the Master Traffic Institute is to actually join a Power Lead system. You can actually do a free trial. Come in at gold, okay? My next suggestion would be, as soon as you can, at least upgrade to diamond, okay? And then once you've done those 2 steps, you're gonna unlock some training there, okay? You're gonna get endless free leads, which will show you how to get an endless amount of leads on social media. So you definitely want to do that. And then you're also going to get access to free ad secrets. Okay, so that starts there. So that's how you get started. At least come in at gold, and then, like I said, if you want to, you can upgrade to diamond. Okay, now about the Master Traffic Institute. If you wanted to come into the Master Traffic Institute, then you can get jump here to Master Traffic Institute and get that master course. Again, 20 courses that's going to really just show you everything that you need to know, and again, position you to earn $1,000 commissions. Okay, now let's go over what it covers, and I'm going to tell you what my favorites are so far. Okay, because I am still going through this 20 sequence course, but I'm loving what I'm learning already. I've set up my blog. So there's a traffic generation course in here. This is Franco has put this course together. If you don't know Franco, he's a master marketer. He's put together a course on traffic generation and how to get quality leads. There's a course on branding with Sean Powell, and he teaches you how to get free traffic, how to brand yourself. A lot of people don't know how to do that. It's really simple to do, and he gives you his secret sauce for branding. And then there's creative list segmentation, where how do you divide your list once you start building the list, things like that, and be able to market better. I have not got through that course yet. I've gone through the majority of this, but I have not got through that just yet. And then content creation. I'm loving this one. This is there's a course in there on content creation with Rob Frazier, and he's really walking through what you need to know to be able to be a content machine and have people looking at your business. Okay, so that's in there as well. And then Frank Calabro, if you don't know who he is, he's thebomb.com, and he has a course on there called Social Distribution. This is where he's really kind of broken down how he's like topping the leaderboards, and he's giving you his secret sauce on really just using social networks to really just kill your business. Okay, in a good way, not like kill it, like flatline. And then there's a course on mobile marketing, which is really powerful because mobile marketing is hot right now. So it's going to show you like how to build a business through mobile marketing. And then there's a course on Facebook marketing, which I think everybody needs to learn how to use. And actually, Sean gives his secrets on how to get 60 leads a day using Facebook marketing. And then there is an 8-figure for people who want to learn how to market offline as well. There's an 8-figure direct mail recruiting secrets course, and there's a sales cyclone course. And let me hop down to my favorite. Okay, so there's referral marketing in here as well. Solo ads. I thought that was very powerful because this is where Rob Frazier is breaking down the secrets of solo ads, how he applies solo ads in his actual business, and really understanding clicks, okay, really understanding it, and solo swipes and so on and so forth, okay. And video marketing, there's a course on video marketing. So for people who are like apprehensive about video marketing and you're like, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, boom, right here he even shows you how to build a business using video traffic generation, okay. And then there's a course on social media marketing, how to recruit and make sales effortlessly with email marketing. I'm actually enjoying this part of the course as well, with Sean Powell. And he really just, a lot of email marketing courses are really complicated, and he really like gets to the point about how you can keep your email marketing simple. And for me, I'm a social media marketer and a video marketer. So email marketing to me is like a foreign language. So this also helped me with being like, okay, you know, a lot of people say, well, if you can put together, you know, ad copy for social media, then you can do it for email. Hold your horses, a totally different beast. So I feel like he presented this in a simplified way that is not intimidating to someone who wants to actually get a knowledge of email marketing, okay. So there you have it. And then there's magazine advertising, again, for people who want to learn offline marketing, co-op advertising. This is actually this is really effective right here, this co-op advertising course. If you look at many of the top leaders in the industry right now, what they're doing to be able to build these massive teams in either their affiliate program or network marketing team is they're saying, hey, I have a co-op. So if you come in, I have a co-op. Well, this is going to teach you how to actually put that co-op together. Okay, how do you put a co-op together for your team? And then there's a YouTube marketing, of course, showing you how to use YouTube to get free advertisement. There's LinkedIn marketing. I mean, there's really no type of marketing that isn't already in this course. So instead of you going out, you pay $200 here, another $150 there, another $400, $500 here. In one course, you have literally, that's why they call it Master Traffic Institute. You have all the different ways that you can generate traffic, and you have these together in one course, and you're able to earn those $1,000 commissions off of this course, okay. There's a viral marketing course in here which teaches you how to get your content to go viral. I'm going through this section as well. The blogging course, I actually was able to get through this in one day and set up my blog. I actually set up my blog. Let me actually go there, 𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 I was able to take the knowledge from that and to set up my blog the right way. I was able to set it up. I got my banners. Oh, hold on. I have my capture page. You saw that, right? I have my my banner set up, and now I really understand how to monetize a blog. I did not understand how to monetize a blog before, and now I get it. So it's all because of this course, okay. And then let me just go through Network Marketing Magazine. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you about that. Okay, so then there's some bonuses, okay. So you get a lifetime membership to the Network Marketing Magazine, which really just helps you with personal development, which is really actually important to do. I've actually started doing personal development in the morning, and it's really just helping, okay. So Master Traffic Institute, here's how it works. You are able to earn $1,000 per sale every time someone just like you, another affiliate marketer, decides that they need this course. They need Master Traffic Institute. They're ready to stop buying a million courses and things like that, and they're ready to be able to have in one place the knowledge that they need to be able to build a solid affiliate marketing business. Well, you're able to get $1,000 per sale, plus you're able to get $200 overrides from your referrals sales, okay. So think about that. Imagine getting $200 every single time someone you shared this course with, or Master Traffic Institute with, you shared it with them, they made a commission, and you get $200. Talk about passive, right? So I really am you know, listen, I don't get impressed easily, and most people who know me, because shit is my favorite word, if this course was bullshit, I would say so, and I actually wouldn't promote it, because I don't promote things that I don't actually use myself, and I'm actually enjoying this. So that's it. That's my actual review of the Power Lead System Master Traffic Institute. Again, you can come in if you want, before you hop into the Master Traffic Institute. If you want to hop into the Power Lead System, you can do the free trial. And then again, if you're like, you know what, I like this, because remember, Power Lead System by itself is a master tool suite, a marketing toolbox to help you grow your business, whatever business you have. Okay, so you can join the Power Lead System, get the free trial, get in at gold, and then if you're like, you know what, I really want to start using these tools to grow my business, at least get to diamond, and then you can make a decision later on. You could say, you know what, I want to get the Master Traffic Institute, then get the Master Traffic Institute. It's a worthwhile investment. It will cut your learning curve. Like I said, I've already been able to apply in my own business some of the techniques that I learned in the Master Traffic Institute within 24 hours, and I've already you know, been able to get these things in place. And for a while, you know, I did blogging before, and then I stopped because I just didn't understand how to monetize it. And this course really just broke down everything that I need to know. And another thing that I want to show you real quick with blogging, hold on one second, I'm gonna pause this real quick. I'm gonna show you something. Okay, so I was explaining to you why I like it, because I'm able to apply what I'm learning in my business. Well, I want to show you something. You know, one of the ways that I generate leads for my business is by doing YouTube videos. It helps me attract people to me that are already looking for solutions, for tools for their business, online resources to start a business, opportunities to start a business. I don't have to chase people, right? So this course actually shows you how to do that, video marketing, but it also shows you how to get the traffic from the sources like YouTube, like blogging. One of the things that I've been able to do is the knowledge that I learned in the course was I learned how to use my blog to be able to backlink and get my YouTube rankings up. So this is the first page of YouTube for the key search phrase Power Lead System Review. Okay, now I'm in incognito mode for a reason, because you know YouTube is going to show me the real rankings, okay, right now, because I'm in incognito. I'm not logged in, anything like that, right? So that said, on the first page now, if you scroll down on the first page, I did this video, let me see, when did I did this video 2 days ago, and I'm already on the, actually the first day that I did it, I ended up on the first page of YouTube. And being on the first page of YouTube will drive massive traffic to your offers. So you know, that's something that, you know, for some things I was able before to get on the first page, but not with all my videos. And I'm finding that the videos that I'm doing of late are for my opportunities are landing on the first page of YouTube. So this is all from knowledge I learned in the Master Traffic Institute. So I just wanted to kind of point that out so far. All right, so that's it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notifications bell, and beneath this will be my contact information. Reach out with any questions, get your free trial, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Bye, guys.